You will need 2 packages of soft tofu, diced into cubes, 2 tablespoons chili oil, 2 tablespoons Doubanjiang, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, half tablespoon minced garlic, 1.5 cups water, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 1 tablespoon hot pepper powder, about 150 grams ground pork, some green onions for garnish, some ground Sichuan pepper, and a teaspoon of chicken powder, 2 tablespoons cornstarch mixed with 3 tablespoons water. Let's get cooking. Heat the wok on high heat and add chili oil. And cook the ground pork until brown. Then add doubanjiang. Oyster sauce, hot pepper powder, minced garlic, cooking wine, stir well, water, and some chicken powder. Lower the heat to medium and cover. Bring it to a boil. Add the tofu cubes. Cover again and turn the heat to high. When it boils, stir gently from the side. Mix the cornstarch slurry well to avoid any lumps. Add into the pan and stir from the sides. Be careful not to break the soft tofu. You will see the sauce thickening. Transfer the Mapo Tofu to your serving bowl. Then add some green onions on top. Sprinkle some ground Sichuan pepper. Happy New Year's, everybody. Say ah.